What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Being confident is the most attractive character trait for men and women. But unfortunately there are a lot of things that you maybe do on a daily basis that can kill your confidence. So in today's video we'll show you 4 everyday things that can kill your confidence. Number 1 guys, always comparing yourself. Especially in the world of social media with Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and co. It becomes so easy to compare yourself to everyone in this world within a few seconds. This one is definitely one of the dark sides of social media. You might already notice when you scroll through Instagram for a longer period of time, you always compare your life to that life of that perfect influencer. But here's the truth guys, a lot of stuff which is shown in this picture is only 1% of his or her life. They try to portray everything as perfect as possible, but the reality looks oftentimes very different. My advice for you guys, don't consume too much content on social media or only follow people that really provides you value instead of making you jealous or even feel bad. Even our brain is made to always compare things with each other, try to limit it to the minimum. Another advice is shift your mindset. I totally believe that everyone can achieve everything what they want if they really work for it. So instead of being jealous, try to get inspired by others. Look at them and say, this is how my life is going to look like in a few years. Get motivated guys and start working on your own dream life. Number 2 guys, being broke. The good news are you are not born to stay broke all your life. Moreover, I think being broke is really a state of mind. I mean, in today's world there are limitless opportunities on how you can earn money, and also guys, stop spending your money on things that you only buy to impress others, like for example 500 to 600 euro sneakers. Instead, learn how to make money and also how to manage it the right way. Number 3 guys, valuing other opinions too much. Especially listening to other people how your life should look like. I mean, in 99% of those cases, those are the people that don't even have their life figured out. And always guys, remember you only got that one life, so create a life that you really want and that you're happy with. Also guys, don't value other opinions in general. Beside that is feedback on how you can actually improve yourself. Try to get to know yourself better and what you bring to the table. If you really know your worth and you're 100% confident with yourself and your life, nothing can bring you down. And the last one guys, not taking responsibility for your life. Don't blame others for what is happening in your life. Always take the responsibility. It is one of the biggest signs of becoming mature. Also guys, have the mindset that nobody owes you something in life, and most things that are happening to you are just a result of your choices and your responsibility. If you want a better life, then take the responsibility and create it by yourself instead of waiting on someone else to fix it, because that will never happen. That's basically it for today's video. Those are my top 4 confidence killer. Let me know what is the biggest confidence killer in your opinion. Just comment below. Also guys, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button and become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.